What is up, guys? It's Chris with Paper Hands. Yeah, we're just going to go with that because I keep folding, especially lately. Okay, check the price. Everything is red. 911, I'm dying. Usually these ones are funny. I like this old guy. He's always kind of funny. Hello, Mom. Yeah. Is my old room still available? Okay, that's pretty accurate. All right, today we're actually going to be covering a bunch of different stuff. A little bit of everything. So let's just jump right in. Crypto stocks soar as Bitcoin rallies to retake 20,000. So if you didn't know, the past week, Bitcoin has been over 20,000. It's still, what is it, 20,650-ish right now. Coinbase, MicroStrategy, and many other miners are up in double-digit percentages as of Tuesday afternoon. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. So Bitcoin has risen nearly 5% above 20,000, blah, blah, blah. ETH is just shy at 11% and is the highest price since the merge. It actually dropped a little bit for me, but that's okay. I don't care. I'm in for the long haul anyways. Broad rally in cryptocurrencies and related stocks. So among the names, you got Coin for Coinbase. You got MicroStrategy, each up 10%, and then some of the miners like Hut 8, Bitfarms. I've never gotten to these two. If you have, let me know. Comment down below. So how have you done on those? And then Marathon and then Riot. I was in those like a year and a half, 2 years ago. Made some pretty decent money. Haven't touched them since. But apparently they're up 11 to 18%. So again, let me know if you're in any of these and tell me how it's going. And then on Monday, Cathie Wood's ARK FinTech Innovation Fund added 10,000 plus shares of Coinbase to its holding, bringing its stake in the stock up to 60.5 million, or roughly 8% of the fund's weight, which is actually a lot. That is quite a bit. I know Cathie Wood's kind of controversial to a lot of people. A lot of her funds I've liked in the past, but most of those are bag holding right now. But that's pretty much everything. So I'm not too worried about it. I still like her. I like the way she thinks on some of the interviews I've watched of her. Let's see. And then NASDAQ is higher by 1.6% and the S&P 1.1%. The play is the idea that the U.S. Federal Reserve is nearing the end of the rate hike cycle. Okay, sure. Both bond yields and the dollar are sharply lower Tuesday. Yeah, they're going to just keep doing it, I bet. I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't really know what they're doing, but I don't think they really know what they're doing either. So, again, don't take advice from idiots on YouTube, or don't take advice from the Fed because they're pretty bad too. All right, so speaking of Cathie Wood, so she bought about 100K worth of Bitcoin years ago at 250 each and never sold it, which is absolutely insane. I wish I would have had the foresight to do that, but I got into Bitcoin around 2017 and it has not been there since. The founder and CEO of ARK Investment Management said she made the purchase after reading the Satoshi white paper. I tried to read that and it was so boring I stopped reading it. Has anyone ever actually read the whole thing? Because I never did. This is about 2015, yeah, so about 2 years late for me. Anyway, she said she hasn't sold any of the initial investment, meaning that her current profit on the 1,000K bet would be around 7.6 million. Pretty impressive. I wish, but I wouldn't have bet 1,000K back then anyways. Wood, who firm she co-founded and focused on innovative and disruptive investments, said that while she was able to make the personal bet on Bitcoin, she couldn't do the same in the ARK funds because they were and are only allowed to invest in securities. ARK eventually was able to get Bitcoin exposure versus Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and the ARK Next Generation Internet Fund currently holds about 5.9 million shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, valued at roughly 67.5 or 67.4 million. So that's still a lot. I've thought about investing in Grayscale. I never have, but if you have, let me know. Let me know how you're doing. Grayscale Trust currently selling at about 35% discount to the net asset value and is trading at a fire sale. Again, I thought about it. I mean, that's pretty good too, but like when you can already invest in things that are like, I don't know, 90% below their all-time highs, yeah, they may never go back to that, but I feel like that's better than 35%, but that's the gambling side of me. Don't take that. Do whatever you want. Again, I think anything crypto related is still gambling versus actually investing, and that's why you should only put about 5% or so of your portfolio. And again, I'm an idiot on YouTube, so don't take advice from me, please. I don't want to get sued. All right, so Ripple ad shows up on Wall Street station, and it's kind of funny. So if you want to go check this, let's see, the Jack the Rippler. Does anyone follow him? I'm going to start following him because he's not a financial advisor, so I'm going to take his advice. But let's just watch this real quick. Crypto means business. Ripple. It's just Wall Street. I'm guessing the subway, the tube, or whatever you guys call it over there. I have never been. And patience is a virtue. Ripple. Cool. Wall Street. So it's pretty funny that they're actually shift your business into carbon neutral. I don't know what else. So that's pretty cool. I actually like it. I'm going to go follow this guy. If you are following him, that's pretty cool. Let me know. Ripple ads are now being spotted in parts of New York City and London. Again, I think that's pretty hilarious. Crypto means business. The less you can stay the same. Ripple. So this is in Liverpool Station. So that's pretty cool. So it's still getting out there and spreading. Again, I just don't think crypto's going anywhere anytime soon. There's just too much potential behind it, and I feel like we're still at the beginning, but who knows anyways. No one has a crystal ball, and well, we're just going to end it there because I can't think today. So at the end of the day, guys, remember to stay awesome and keep loving each other like I love Cathie Wood.